What's up guys, my name is Kochi and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk to you about my hair care routine. As a hairstylist, I'm often asked how to take care of your hair tips and a lot of questions about hair loss and also my recommendations on how to help prevent it. So today I would like to talk to you about iRestore. Some of you guys may remember the video I did last year on how to treat thinning hair. So in this video I want to go more in detail with the hair care routine and with some highly rated products to help maximize your hair growth. And with that, let's get started. A lot of you may not know about laser hair therapy, but it's changing the game on ways to help with hair growth and combat hair loss. Hair loss is something so many men and women go through, and some of you may even consider or have gone through hair transplants, PRP treatments, or even topical treatments. But some of those methods may not be the best fit, and for many reasons. That's why laser hair therapy intrigued me, especially after I saw iRestore's review and before and after photos. They have tons of great reviews on Amazon with positive experience from so many users, and the photos speak for themselves. So I decided to look into their iRestore's professional device, and they use a combination of both lasers and LEDs, which is something I noticed that many other devices don't incorporate. Laser therapy is used for treating skin concerns and even muscle pain, so why not for hair growth? This device is great because it has 282 lasers and LEDs with comprehensive coverage to reach even the lower part of my scalp. I use this every other day for just 25 minutes. I usually just put it on before work and it will automatically shut off once the session is over. It's an amazing option for those that had a hair transplant, since you will still need to maintain the hair after the treatment. So laser therapy is definitely worth trying out, especially with iRestore's 12 months money back guarantee. So guys, now let's move on to some of their hair care products. Keeping my hair healthy is really important to me, so I incorporate iRestore into my hair care routine to help me maintain the health of my hair and prevent it from thinning. So I wash my hair with their anti-hair loss shampoo and conditioner. This package has some key ingredients such as keratin, biotin and castor oil. Now what I love about the shampoo is it smells amazing and it gives a lot of volume to my hair without drying it. After I wash my hair, I use their anti-hair loss serum and massage it into my scalp and hair. Now what's special about this serum is its primary ingredient is retinol. Now retinol is a clinically proven complex that has been shown to stimulate growth of thicker, fuller looking hair. I also take their vitamins and supplements and alternate between them after a meal. My favorite are the hair gummy vitamins. They come in cherry, lemon and orange flavors and taste amazing with no aftertaste. Plus they are vegan. It helps to prevent shedding and promote faster, thicker hair growth. The supplements, on the other hand, come in a pill form and are formulated with a DHT blocker. DHT is a hormone responsible for genetic hair loss, so taking this helps to fight the root cause of hair loss. That's it guys. Have any of you tried these products? If yes, please let me know what you think in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to iRestore for sponsoring this video.